Good morning, students. In this lecture, we will see the practical sum on the how to decide the residence of India or not residence of India. So, in this question number one, Mr. Sanjay, an Indian citizen, went to USA for the first time for the purpose of employment. So he leaves India for the purpose of employment on 10 May 2021. He left India 10 May 2001. Again he came back. He came back to India on 19 November 2021. So let's we decide is a residence or not residence of India. So always you have to write first two basic condition. So what is basic condition? We have 182 days during the previous year or more than that. And what is second condition? Or may or 2A. 2 में क्या 365 days in the last 4 financial year, previous financial year. And plus, what is the plus? It should be 60 days during the last financial year. So these are basic conditions. Now let's we calculate the last year, that's the financial year, that's the previous year, how many days he stayed in India. So let's we prepare the diagram. So I will prepare diagram from April to March. So first month, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March. So I will write the month in this case, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March. So our year you know, what is that financial year? 2021 to 22. This is our financial year, April to March. Now what says that he left India on 10 May. He left India 10 May. So up to May he was in India. So April, how many days in April? 30. So he was in India. Now 10 May, the day of leaving and coming should be included while calculating the 182 days. The day on which he left, that should be in India. So May का कितना दिन आएगा? 10. So June he was not India. July he was not India. July, August, September, October, and November he came to back in India. So 19 days is, so this day should be included in India. So November का कितना days होता है? 30 है ना? 30 में से how much minus 18? Because up to 18 he was in USA. So November का कितना days आएगा? 12. 13 minus 18, 12. Now December. So how many December? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. December का कितना डेज होता है? 31st. जनवरी का कितना होगा? 31st. मार्च का कितना होगा? फरवरी का कितना होगा? 21. फरवरी के मार्च कितना होगा? 31st March ना? So we have to calculate number of days. So 30 plus 10, 40. So this we have 40. 40 plus 12 plus 31 plus 31 plus 28 and plus 31. So how many days coming? 173 days. How many days? 173 days. And how many days we want? 182 days. So first condition he did not satisfy. So conclusion will say that he is a non-resident of India. So we say the conclusion. Mr. Sanjay is a non-resident of India. So in this way we have to do the calculation. क्या नाम है तेरा?